Now, question number 5. Question number 5 says, expand each of the following expressions. X plus 3 into x plus 7. So here, x plus 3, question number A, x plus 3 into x plus 7. At first, we will multiply this x by x plus 7. So x into x plus 7 plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Now multiply x into x, x square, plus x into 7, 7x, plus 3 into x, thrice x, plus 3 into 7, 21. So what will be the final answer? Final answer will be x square plus 7 plus 3, that is 10x plus 21. And that is the solution of question number 5A. Now we will solve 5B. 5B, question number 5B says 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 into thrice x plus 5. So we will multiply thrice x plus 5 by 4x at first. So 4x into thrice x plus 5 plus 1 into thrice x plus 5. So at first we'll multiply 4x by 3x. So 4 3s are 12 x squared. So 12x squared plus 4 5s are 20x plus 1 into 3 thrice x plus 5 1s are 5. So what will be the final answer? Final answer will be 12x squared plus 20 plus 3, that is 23x plus 5. Okay, and this is the solution of question number 5. Now question number 6A. Similar question, 6A. So how can you solve it? Very simple. At first 7 multiplied by 2A plus 1 minus 4 into 8A plus 3. So 7 to the 14A plus 7 minus 4 8 ja 32A minus 12. So right now 14 minus 32, that will be, so 1 8A, 18A, and 7 minus 12 minus 5. And this is the solution of 6A. Now question number B. Question number B says, question number B, 3 into 2B minus 1 minus 2 into 5B minus 3. Okay, so 3 into 2b minus 1 minus 2 into 5b minus 3. So multiply 3 by 2b at first. 3 2s are 6b minus 3 1s are 3 minus 2 5s are 10b minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 10 will be minus 4b minus 3 plus 6 plus 3. So minus 4b plus 3 will be the answer of this question. Okay. Now, next question says, question number C. Question number C says 3C into 5 plus C minus 2C into 3C minus 7. So 3C into 5, 3C into 5 at first. 3C into 5 will be 5 3s are 15C plus 3C into C will be 3C squared minus 2C into 3C. 2 3s are 6C squared minus into minus plus 7 2s are 14C. So 3C squared minus 6C squared will be minus 3C squared, and 15C plus 14C will be plus 29C. Now 6, question number D. So 6D says 2D multiplied by 3D minus 5 minus D into 2 minus D. So 2D into 3D. 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6D square minus 5 2s are 10D minus D into 2 2D minus into minus plus D square. So 6D square plus D square will be 7D square minus 10 minus 2 will be minus 12D. And this is the answer of this problem. Now 6E. 6E says minus F into 9 minus 2F plus 4F into F minus 8. So at first, f into 9 minus 9f minus into minus plus 2f into f square plus 4f into f will be 4f square plus into minus minus 4 8 ja 32f. So 4 plus 2, that will be 6f square minus 9 minus 32 will be minus 41f. And this is the solution of 6e. Now 6f. 6f says minus 2h into 3 plus 4h minus 5h into h minus 1. So minus 2h into 3 will be minus 6h minus a plus a minus 4 to the 8h square minus 5h into h will be minus 5h square minus into minus plus 5h. So right now minus 8 minus 5 will be minus 13 h square and minus 6 plus 5 will be minus h. And that is the solution of question number 6.